So hey guys, today I'll show you like how you can enable like zoom in and zoom out on your like Chrome browser or your Brave browser or any Android browser. Like this thing, like the process is mainly for like the Android, and so I'll show you. But first let me just share my phone screen with you guys so that you can see what I'm saying. So okay, so as you can see my phone screen, so what you need to do is like for like if you want to do it for like Chrome, then first open Chrome, then press this 3 button, then press the settings, then scroll down, then come down to accessibility, then enable this force enable zoom. So if you have these settings turned off, then enable it, that is force enable zoom. So and when you enable this, like if I open this site, so you can zoom it like this. As you can see, you can zoom it like this. So this is how you can zoom on Chrome. And like if you want to do the same shape on Brave, so the process is similar here also. Like go to settings and scroll down, again come down to accessibility, then again enable this force enable zoom. So and when you follow the do the same thing in Brave, like if I open Brave over here, so as you can see, wait a second, as you can see, since it's a Brave, I can do the same thing. So yes, you see, same. So this is how you can enable force enable zoom on, let it be your Chrome or your Brave. So the step is mainly on this step can be used only on Android. So yes, this is how you can enable like force, like this is how you can enable zoom in and zoom out on your browser on your Android devices. So and you so if you have found this video helpful, do give it a like and share it with your friend. And if you want more videos like this, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you until next.